Hey everyone, it's Chelsea, aka Simco Supreme, and welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so excited that I finally saw a YouTube channel. And if it's your first time here, then that's alright. It's just my second video. But you've been here before, then thank you so much for watching my last video. Thank you so much for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed, I suggest you do that right now. Do that right now, like now. Yeah. But yeah, anyway, for today's look, I decided to do a pop art zombie kind of look. And yeah, I feel like this look has been done so many times before, but that's fine because I haven't done it. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do for today's video. And if you guys want to see how I did the look, then just keep watching. If you want to see the other looks that I've done, then make sure to check out my socials. They'll be somewhere here. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna jump into the tutorial So I started sketching my face and body using a waterproof eyeliner from Avon, just to see how my look is going to look like. And then I go in with some paint all over my face and body using a brush, and then interchanging with a sponge just to blend out the paint. And then I'm going to fill in the areas that I want to be pink, that would be under my supposed skin, and then the areas that would be yellow would be like the flesh that's kind of rotting under my skin. So yeah, I'm just going to fill in those areas. Using white body paint, I want to paint in my bones down my throat and one on my collarbone that will be exposed. And then to give my face some structure, I'm going to highlight my face with a very light shade from the NYX Pro Highlight and Contour palette, and then I'm contouring my nose and my face with a shade from the Swiitch Beauty palette, adding that color in all the faces that I would usually contour. So I'm drawing on my eyebrows with the same pink shade that I used for my face and body on each side. And then I'm filling in with some color to mute down that bright pink. Now I'm doing my eyeshadow, and I went in with very little pigment at first to just carve out where I want my crease to be, and then I kept adding more and more of the same pigment. I added a darker blue just to create a gradient, and a bit of black that I'm blending out now. And then I'm now creating a soft cut crease by putting on a lighter shadow. Now I'm doing my winged liner, which is so thick, really thick. But that's how I just do my winged liner. I prefer it to be really thick because I know I'm going to stick on, here we go, I'm going to stick on these really big lashes. So yeah, I still need people to see my winged liner. So now I'm shading in parts of my body just to create more dimension, which was lost from using the same color throughout. And yeah, I'm just doing around my collarbone, my neck, and areas that I would like to look slimmed down. And then now I'm just filling in my teeth on one side of my face, which is exposed.
This is the part where everything sort of comes together when you outline every single part. You have to outline every single thing when you're doing a pop art look, and yeah, it just makes everything look sensible and to look a lot less like ice cream. I feel like I was looking like ice cream. So yeah, just continue to outline every single bit. So unfortunately my camera battery died, and I went ahead and shaded in certain areas that I wanted to look like they were underneath my skin, and highlighted other areas so that they look like they're sitting on top of those areas. And now I'm just filling in my nose and creating tears around my skin just to add more details into the look. So I'm adding more lines just to give my look a bit of detail and to create depth in certain areas without actually using any shadow. Since it's a pop art look, you just have to put in dots. You have to put in dots, and now I'm just using hatch lines to create shadows in certain areas, and you continue adding the details until you're happy.
Alright, so this is the final look. I put a wig on top of my braids, and yeah, just to like complete the look. I think some of the paint like cracked around my chest area. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can see it. But it's fine because I was moving about a lot. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, share my video, all that good jazz. And yeah, check out my other socials for my other work. Yeah, and my last video.